Para for dictation, 5 seconds to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On perusal of papers produced before this court, comma, it is noticed that the evidence of witness number 1 in departmental inquiry, comma, a copy of which is produced at Annexure 1 to this petition, does contain all the cases mentioned in the charge sheet and the statement of witnesses. In view of the aforesaid discussion, this petition is allowed. Full point. Notification is quashed and set aside. Consequences to follow. Rule is made absolute. Full point. At the request of the learned advocate for the High Court, it is clarified that it will be open for the High Court to take recourse to the remedy available under the law, including the inquiry. Full point. The High Court has examined the rate of interest at 5% on the amount awarded in favor of the government by the civil court and has considered the contention urged on behalf of government that the rate of interest awarded is excessive, and also the contention that there is no contract of payment of interest on the same, and alternatively contended that the interest rate should not normally exceed 6% per annum. Full point. In our considered view, the reasons recorded by the High Court on the said issues while examining the claims allowed by the arbitrator in the award with reasons which is approved by the civil court, wherein certain claims have been rightly disallowed. Full point. So far as the grievance raised by the government is concerned, this court cannot set aside the same, but at the same time it should also be ascertained as to whether grievance raised by them against the order passed by the tribunal is a genuine concern, or it is one of the many pressure tactics applied by the school management against the workers. Full point. This court is conscious that the tribunal is seized of the matter. Full point. The observation made by this court in this judgment and order is to be treated relevant only for the purpose of deciding the points raised in this petition, and shall not have a bearing on the reference which is pending. Full point. It is further observed that the observations made by this court in this judgment shall not come in the way of the tribunal while finally adjudicating the reference, and the tribunal will not only be free but is expected to decide the reference considering the evidence led by both the sides before it without being influenced by the observations of this court in this judgment. Full point.